If you want many recipes to prepare, guys, just watch this video from the beginning to the end. Despite that we did not show, here is to combine many recipes together. So if you feel like you never know the kind of recipe to prepare, even the kind of drink to prepare, guys, this my channel gonna encourage you. I noticed that some people are not watching, they will just skip our videos, but that's the things we are bringing on this table every time is good thing. The thing you can be eating on your daily basis. As you can see, we manage making potato with green leaf and green pea. That's what we combine. The other one is egg sandwich. The other one is avocado pear sandwich. And they drink two different kinds of drinks I make. The one on the yellow bottle and the one on the other color. So the one on the other color is, so this one is just to eat, don't talk. So watch us eat. This combination of vegetable salad. The other one is our indomie fly with egg. So watch us eat. So guys, this is my Christmas gift. I just want to explain this one after another. Guys, where I usually buy something, that's where I was gifted this. Guys, this gel douche perfume almond fragrance shower gel. Guys, this one, as in, I need to explain it in French, in English language, because it comes in French language. Guys, this shows that you need to be bathing very well. Wetin e mean? If you no get douche, guys, this, it comes with toothpaste. You can see that all comes in this color to show you that it's the same company that make this. Guys, likewise this one. So this one, all of them carry follow body come together. So this gel douche, guys, they really want to show me this Christmas continue to be bathing very well, and make your body come dey look totori totori. Na wetin dey mean for you. So I'm so happy. So I just want to explain what this soap, liquid soap, does. Guys, this so very very good. Even if you have other liquid soap you are using, guys, you never use this one, you are really missing a lot. So you get to go grab this. Guys, if you want me to tell you where you gonna get this, kindly let me know in the comment section, and after using it, gonna thank me later. You see how my color is looking? Guys, I know they apply cream. Oh. Guys, not these things, obonga things where, by what does it go bill. All those ones I dey use, and come dey eat your veggies and your fruits. E get why. As I look now, I come look natural, nothing attached. My hair natural, my look natural, my finger natural, everything wey dey there na natural. You never ask yourself wetin dis woman dey apply make I no wan talk that one here, because some people go say you don dey do anyhow. No. So if you want me to show you where you gonna get this, kindly let me know in the comment section. So this liquid soap for bathing. Hallelujah, somebody. Okay, let's end this here. Bye bye. Guys, they say all was and no play, may just a door boy. Guys, if I feel like I've said a lot because once you are narrating something, sometimes your saliva may be drying. So, what helps me to keep my saliva going is my lollipop or water. So I feel like sometimes I don't want, if I'm in congregation, when I notice that if I take water, I'll be feeling pee or as in, yeah. So I felt like taking this lollipop. So guys, this helped me to keep going in terms of talking. So some people will ask, can you tell us the name of the bonbon? This poopy, this poopy, slush poopy. This tastes so good. It didn't come with a lot of sugar. The sugar is minor. But I didn't say if you are getting advanced, you should keep licking all these things. I take it once in a blue moon, especially when I feel like my saliva is drying. That's when I take it. Or you can take water. Water is more gooder than all of them. Or if you feel like, as in, if you take water, you still feeling as in easing yourself, you can manage to take this one.